Good morning, this is Kiwi Tom. I'm just recording this session so that I can refer back to it when I'm looking to establish future trends. I'm looking at a trend follow strategy, so I am trying to set in a process that I can follow, and by doing this video hopefully I'll have future reference to it. So I want to analyze the Aussie dollar and see if there's any opportunities to trade the Aussie dollar. So first of all, I need to find out what strength the Aussie dollar has. So this platform I've set up with a monthly chart, weekly, I've got a daily over here, 4 hourly, 1 hourly, and I'll just change that to 15 minutes. Now that will hopefully give me a better chance to find some entries and good entry positions. So that's the purpose of this video for myself, and I may share it with other people. So to get to the Aussie dollar, all I need to do is put it into the product library over here, and it comes up with the various pairs that this broker trades or has for the Aussie dollar. Okay, so that gives you an idea of the various ones. I just want to have a look at the major pairs. So I'll go and have a look at ACAD. What we have, I'll just move that up. All I need to do is put in ACAD over here. It will search it. When I click on that, it changes all of my charts. Now I'll move this chart product library out of the way. Okay, so the monthly's looking like it's in a bit of a range. The daily is saying the same. Generally there appears to be a slight retracement from a downtrend. So as a trend follow, I don't see anything here that would interest me. Maybe this area here, if price was to break above that. Okay, and head back up to these highs if we're lucky. So let's put in we'll draw in a support and resistance line, and we want it to be a fairly robust one. Recent price was rejected here. Okay, so now you can see how my charts change automatically to put that line in, and there it is on the monthly. Now if I was to trade that or look at potentially trading that, then all I need to do is go into creating an alert, and so this price alerts box pops up, and then I go into, I'll get rid of that drawing tool, and I'll expand this and click on that, and that gives me the price. Okay, so it seems to be 10000743. So to set the price, all I need to do is put 1.000. No, wrong, those O's. 00743. Great. And we'll change that to open-ended, and we're ready. So this will send me an alert when price reaches that. You can see I have an EA alert as well. Okay, so we'll close that down, bring the product library up. Let's have a look at EAN. Oops, I don't need that there. Close that down, put in AN. Looks like the Aussie's been in a downtrend for a little while. We've come to some support. So it's been dropping since before the end of the year. We had the peak there. Seems to have hit some support there. There's a nice downtrend. We've got the MAs starting to sort themselves out, although this little pullback here is twisting them up a bit. And I will look for a position in which to take a put. It makes sense that this area here would be the one. So let's put in let's draw a support and resistance off the end of that. It's got some great drawing tools in this. Seems to be an area around there. That shows me it needs to go up a bit. Sit it right on the end of there. It's pretty close. There's my price. So let's look at setting a price alert. For AN, and we're looking at 1064789. Change that to open-ended, and we're in. Okay, so that one was definitely bearish trend going on. Does look like it's hit some solid support there though. However, if it does head down, I want to know about it. Great, turn that off, bring that up. Cool. So I'll end this video and I'll start another one soon.